Live at JW Solar USA. Guys, this is what I have for you guys today. Something really small, portable, compact, weird. Some people probably never seen this before. Some people never uh, came across this before, but this is what I have. It is a Travel Smart, which is a 1600 watt international converter adapter set. It converts 220 volts to 230, which is international voltages, forwarding electricity to 110 for the use of most US domestic and travel appliances, rated for 50 to 1600 watt. Well, that's my question, guys. It puzzled me. I want to ask out there, have you ever came across this, or have you ever utilized one of these, or have you ever get your hands into this, or have you ever tested this device before? I know a lot of people have done it that travel overseas, you know, and third world countries or whatever, international, like it says right there. And tell me what your thoughts are, because for just a little thing like this, I find it really hard. I'm not trying to be a skeptic, but you see, this guy is the inverter right here. I don't know if this thing is really able to give out 1600 watt at 120 volt. So these are all the stuff that they have here. You can see it's a round pin. Some of you guys have never seen this unless you buy some equipment that comes with that in America. But you see a lot of places, the North and South America, the Caribbean, and Japan, as the one that use the arrows right here. You can see we have pins that we normally use, those pins that we use here in America on our outlet. And this is the Australia and China and New Zealand. They have this kind of weird one here. Look like a 30 amp plug, like the US 30 amp, one of those plugs. There, it's designed this way curved a little bit, but has a 3 pin or 4 pin, the US. But look at this one, and you see Africa right there. And you see Ireland, which is a northern part of the UK. And you can see Great Britain and Hong Kong. Singapore has this one right here. So those are the foreign outlets, international outlets. So this is what it says there. I'll hold the camera for you guys to read. Sorry for the glare, because I have to use the lights on the camera because it's kind of dark outside. Not too bright. It's really not humid, cloudy outside. So this is what it is. You can able to utilize it on the TV. Look at that. It says converter should be used with a plug tool and an electronic circuit product, that is computer, fax machine, typewriter, TV, a typewriter. No, a lot of people, youngsters nowadays, guy will remember what a typewriter is, because typewriter is the one that is a replica or a rebuilt or hybrid of a computer. They just copy that and makes it exactly, the keyboard and everything is the same. The only thing, you gotta push the button really hard, you know. So the button goes back, you hit and retract. And VCR, some of these kids, the newborn kids, never seen the VCRs anymore. And fax machine, yeah, a lot of the kids probably don't even know what a fax machine is. So this is what it is. So 1600 watts. Is that true? Really? Is a 16? This thing can power 1600. If you have like a quelling pin for ladies, being going international. You want to use the bathroom, trying to, you know, do your hair or whatever, or air blow or dryer. So, could you imagine this thing is gonna work? I don't know. These are three pins. Mostly they use in Europe, which is like England and Africa. They have these three pins right here. This is how it looks like, the prongs. And I've shown you all the other countries how the plugs are. So like here you can see it says for Africa. This is how it looks like. It's almost the same with the UK. They have that. It has a 2-pin right here. And you can see New Zealand and Australia, China. They have this kind of weird one that looks like an American 110. And there goes the that's America, Japan, North America, Japan, South America, and Caribbean. This one here. So this is the US part of it. This is the output of the inverter. And you can see right here is Ireland, Africa, and whatever. So you can use the prongs, round circles, cylinder like, which looks like here. I don't know, it didn't come out right on the camera. But tell me guys, if this thing really works for 1600 watts, or shall we try that? I don't know. Oh, well, I even forgot that I don't even have the inverters anymore, because those inverters already went overseas, and it's really hard for us now to test it. I would love to test this to make sure that this thing really works. To take 1500 watts, what the heck? I don't mind if this thing blow up or something, and it's just for the fact that for science, we like to prove things, and this is what I do. I would like to prove it. I know it's a technology. I know that's how it's rated for. Can I put a tea kettle that is a 1500 watt? This thing can handle it. Can I put a toaster that's like a 900, like the ones they use on the RV, or some small apartment ones that use 900 to 1000 watts? Can this little guy just look like a adapter can handle it? This looks like it has a kind of heatsink gold color, and the 2 pins there. It's pretty interesting to see how these things work. I don't know what kind of technology they put into it. I've seen them before. I've bought some before. I've never used them because I was just saying if I travel overseas, I can able to utilize them, and I can able to see how it works. So it's always nice to prepare. It's not like, because you don't know, I'm not gonna ever travel, I'm not gonna go anywhere, I get stuck in the United States, I don't like no other country. Some people will normally say that, but when the time comes, and you never know, adventure or something takes you all the way there, and you don't prepare, and they say, oh, now you have to go and buy this stuff at their own place that costs a lot of money, and two, use taking advantage because you came from another country, because they can hear the accents right there. Oh, it's American, or is this is from this is a different country, or you don't speak the language at all. For you to buy one of these now, it costs you a heck of a pain to just get it, because you don't know how to call it. And some people started using the translator. Some people, they want to travel, they started learning some of the languages. They go on Google and look for apps that can translate for them, or say something, gonna say back something in maybe Spanish or French or whatever, Portuguese, or German, and all these sort of languages, Chinese or Japanese or whatever, African language. But this is what it is, guys. But I want to see how everything goes with this, and let me know if some of you guys have tried this. And I'm so interested to see. I've never watched a video yet to see if this guy is on YouTube or whatever, made by Franzu. All right, thanks, guys. Like and subscribe. My video is up 10 minutes already. Let me know what you think. Bye for now.